Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Yeah, a very happy New Year.
We've had a lovely break over Christmas, haven't we?
So broken.
It was so broken. We're recovering from the carnage of Christmas.
Yes.
But
we are.
it's Lewis's birthday today.
Hey, enough of that.
Happy
enough
birthday.
Of that.
Happy birthday. So we have been busy getting everything celebrated. Birthday's done, well, nearly birthday done, but you're going to have a lovely dinner tonight. And we thought we would do a lovely New Year's update to tell you what's what's been going on and what's going to be happening over the next coming weeks.
There's not been many videos out this month. We do apologise for that, but there's a juicy one in the pipeline.
There is a very juicy one. We'll be releasing that as soon as we get the go-ahead, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Shall we have a look at what we've been doing?
Yeah.
Let's go and have a look. Oh my God, it's cold in the workshop.
It's not too bad today, 10 degrees today.
There is actually a warning for massive snowstorm this weekend.
It's cool. Just
look forward to that.
Yeah, at least it's on the weekend and not in the middle of a week.
You think the girls will be going to school on Monday? Yeah. It won't be happening. Yes. What have we been working on then over the holidays?
Well, the diesel BMW is back on the road running.
I'm actually using that as my daily driver at the moment. Interesting having a hardtop on the convertible with a child seat and
yes,
shopping.
It's such a practical daily for you. Such a practical family car. Yeah, it's doing the job. It's a car with 4 seats. It's meant to take people.
I'll tell you a secret. I'm kind of enjoying it.
I enjoyed it because the juicy videos coming out is about the diesel. We did a lot of work to it. It's looking better. It's driving so much nicer.
So much nicer.
God.
Oh, it's a pleasure to be
Still got issues suspension-wise because I've been chasing an issue on the back driver's rear where it's squatting down on the back corner. I thought it was a collapsed bush, and there were collapsed bushes back there. Turns out somebody had put the completely wrong leg on the front passenger. So the front passenger is 20 mil higher than the other side. It's pushing down on the opposite quarter. Annoyingly.
That's a video for another day. We're gonna source some parts and
so yeah, we've been working on that.
Done.
I've been working on Clubby a little bit.
Clubby's having a major engine rebuild. A bit. It's not just a bit. I don't know if have we released a video on that yet?
They know it's broken.
You know it's broken.
But we haven't got into the depths of how broken.
New Year's inside information. Yeah. The engine's broken.
This is hopefully the last few bits from BMW I need. So these are timing chain and Vanos parts.
Where is it? These two. These are the last 2 pieces in the country.
Yeah, so if you're going to buy them, we've got them.
Yeah, we've got them. You ain't getting them.
You know.
And these were on back order as well. So we've got some nice little sprockets in there. The last ones. So they've only just come in today, actually. So
yeah, literally today.
Took a long time over Christmas to get those.
BMW heard it was my birthday.
and
they sent it down especially. Empty van it was. Nothing else in there.
Funny thing is, though, Lewis's birthday presents from me are actually somewhere in Germany at the moment. I was very organised. I ordered everything early and I was watching the tracking and everything, and it said delivered, and I was like, it's not been delivered to me. It's actually been delivered to somebody in Germany, and I can't tell you what it is because you'll know. So we've got a little bit of delay on yours, but BMW brought you presents.
That'll do.
That'll do. So Lewis is currently working on the head of the E46 Club Sport.
It's not in here.
No, it's empty. I think if you picture I put on social media of your lovely strut brace, though.
That's empty. Let's go and see the rest of it.
Let's go and have a look. Into the engine room we go.
Oh, yes.
So this is where the magic is happening with the head. Have a look at that. What are we doing here, Lewis?
So the original casting is very rough in these M54 heads.
I'd go as far to say as rough as a badger's butt.
So all I'm doing is smoothing and improving and hopefully making the engine run a bit more efficiently, which side effects of efficiency is more horsepower.
Yeah, I mean, we've already had the head skimmed by the lovely people down at Hargreaves Engineering.
Yeah.
You're just making it a bit better while we got the
I mean, I've got the toolage, and I've got a limited knowledge on how to flow the air into it. They say little knowledge is a dangerous thing.
Even if you don't try, you don't get.
You don't try, you don't learn.
Yeah, look, I
it
think
certainly worked on the E30.
Definitely Lots of evidence of material removed.
Yeah, lots of material removed. It's rough as in there.
Yeah.
Rough as. I'm not opening out portways. I'm literally just
Cleaning
smoothing
out.
out this machining that's already taken place. So I've got some clips. There's a video.
There's a video coming. Lots of good videos coming in the new year. But not only is it having all the lovely work done to the head, we are replacing every single gasket, valve stem seal, timing chains,
So these
PCV.
broke,
We broke all that.
These broke on the way out. This is all the gaskets. These are really nice quality.
Full gasket set. Look at all the seals and pipes and guards and heat shields and so many filters.
Fuel filters, a filter for a first run so we can run it up to temperature and flush all the oil out and make sure everything's clean, and then a nice filter for afterwards, and then we've got loads of timing chain gear in there.
Scary. So along with that and all the parts we've ordered from BMW and everything,
this will be a very nice, happy motor.
It's going to be the best. It really is. It's going to want for nothing.
Yeah.
It is a work in progress, slowly, a little bit every day, but we will bring you a video on that with the rebuild of the Club Sport.
Yes. We're thinking of actually, let's go back to the Club Sport.
Right, back to the Club Sport.
Yeah, we are actually thinking of... well, do you remember a little while ago we did a live putting all the panels back on the E30, like an all-day live?
Oh, we had people around. Yeah, I remember that.
We're thinking of doing the same for this. Put the engine in live.
Ah, first turn of the key live on camera.
So the engine would be fully built here, ready to go in. So we'll load it, plug it all in, and fuel it up and turn the key for the first time live.
That'll be. What do you think, guys? Put your comments down below. Do you think we should do a live rebuild of installing?
That's very.
That's
very
doing
no
it.
editing. If it doesn't go right, it doesn't go right. You know?
That'll be fun, won't it? First turn of the key on camera.
Yeah.
Talk about brave. But now there we go. That sounds like a plan. Obviously, we're very busy with the day-to-day work as well, so this is all squeezed in after hours.
Shall we go and have a look at some day-to-day?
Let's go have some look at them day-to-day. Oh, let there be light.
Yeah, so Subaru is ongoing. We are very much enjoying this project, and
welding's almost complete now, isn't it?
Welding's almost complete, and yeah, I'm looking forward to getting into it a little bit more, but currently there's an awful lot of sanding going on.
Yes, we have got
here.
some...
lots of parts are being done. Unfortunately, not allowed to follow it through with the full video, this one. But
they're very intricate parts though. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
A lot of fancy stuff. And it's all handmade stuff as well.
Yeah.
Ooh, oh God, the curiosity must be killing people.
Yeah.
But no, look at this. Isn't that lovely? And it's all finished by hand by little Lewis here. Poor little fingers in this cold weather.
Yeah, my fingerprint recognition doesn't work anymore.
Yeah, you can't unlock your phone.
Not all of it's done by myself. I have Mojo in. He's been doing
Mojo,
a lot of it.
Mojo's been to visit in the holidays, hasn't he?
He's done a few bits and bobs, but there's a lot of little bits, and it looks like a mess.
Look at this tank. Ooh. But yeah, working busy. But Subaru, that'll be getting its
yeah, we're kind of saving all the videos up for this until it's completed, so we can give you a nice, constant flow of quality videos.
Yeah, instead of being dribs and drabs. But what else? Oh yeah, don't forget, we're working on the T2 bay window bus. We're still waiting for panels for this.
Still waiting on panels.
There's a back order for panels. We'll give them a kick up the bum on Monday, see what's going on. I think everybody's back in work on the 6th of January, aren't they?
Well, hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah. But that's really it for big jobs that are in. We've got some other jobs coming in soon.
Yeah, maybe.
We'll update you when they come in. So that's where we are with worky work.
And workshop.
And workshop, yeah.
Roof's been repaired, by the way. Roof's been repaired, so we're ready for the next storm. Bring it on.
We lasted through the last storm.
Yeah, we
did.
It's
the snowstorm that's next.
Yeah, what we need is 4 inches of heavy snow on the roof.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. So Lewis is going to be powering through those jobs, getting the Club Sport back together. We've got videos of the BMW. We've got lots of plans for 2025. We're thinking of doing a series on upgrade and trade.
That's going to be fun.
We've got some more projects coming in. nice projects. I don't want to spoil it, but there's some bloody nice projects coming in.
Yeah, we've done some lovely videos on the camper and the Subaru. They're just waiting for their turn to come out. We are also doing another raffle.
Yeah, keep
for
an
these
eye
things.
out. I'm going to
by
be.
the way, these things.
I'm going to be doing. Lift it up. I'm going to be doing an announcement when it's ready. But this is a case of our favourite workshop tools, impacts and electric ratchet, batteries, everything in a case. We'll be putting that on the raffle site as soon as we can. But we've got plans for other raffles as well.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's going to be good.
Yeah.
We've got a workshop cookout planned. We're going to get some people over for that.
That might happen on the live day.
That might happen. Oh God, do you want to do cookout on the live day with the engine
why
in?
not?
Why not?
Why not have a really busy day?
A really busy day. We'll just do it. Just do it. But yeah, that's it. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching. You don't realise how happy it makes us when we read your comments and see that we've helped you or inspired you to crack on with your own projects. We get lots of lovely messages, don't we?
We certainly do.
And we do try and reply to everybody. People message us asking for advice, and
we really do appreciate the time you guys invest in us, our videos.
We've got all the time for everybody, haven't we? Well, as much as we can give. But thank you, patrons, members, for supporting the channel. You have provided us with tea and biscuits for the whole year.
Yeah.
And we're hoping to do bigger things in 2025.
Yeah, definitely.
Onwards and upwards. Right then, guys, thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Click like, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yes. Ciao.
Ciao.
Bye. I'm taking this to go.